know who is Raman, but this guy is so rich. Raman.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
I'm sorry that you got like offline rated. I'm like, it's okay, guys, it happens. We got 4,554 winners. Raj the top winner, and yeah, we got offline. But in the end, the only things that they took was they took the cloth, the leather, they took all of our sulfur, but they didn't get like anything else. That was about it. So it's like actually, it's not even that bad if you really think about it. I don't know. Spin is mega luck. 4x on crazy time. But either way, the problem is though, like all of the team is done with the wipe. Everybody got bored, so we're not playing anymore. I think we're switching. Either we're gonna switch to another server or we're gonna just play some other games. I'm too good at Rust. Swifty, was it you? Oh, we got a crazy time. Win a 4x Topslot, baby. Do my eyes deceive me? No, they do not. Let's go. Woo! Come on then. Let's get it. About a week ago, hey, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, hey, shmoney time, baby. We getting a big bag over here. Securing the bag, bag alert by Migos. Or was it Quavo? Play the song, guys. 4x Topslot here. Oh, man, oh man, that is some sweetness. That is some sweet goodness right there. Sweeter than a pocket full of candy. Want some candy? All right, green, blue, or yellow flapper, make your choice. If you don't choose, the auto pick will choose for you automatically. So as long as you place your bets on Crazy Time, as long as you're here, you're not missing out on anything, not to worry. You're gonna be getting something. Ladies and gentlemen, 400x is the max multiplier here. I wish you the best of luck. Here we go. Woo! $60 on green, 80 on yellow, and double trouble on that blue flapper. Let's double the fun, baby. And we're gonna make another spin. 800x is the highest multiplier now we could possibly get. Good luck to you. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 511,453 euros.
More than 9,200 winners. We got quadratic formula, 22,000. Fortnite with a 20,000 euro win as well. They're top two winners. That's what I'm talking about. From downtown under, baby. Woo! Let's go. Okay.
I didn't see that coming though. 2,186 women. It was like going like towards to the 200x, and it was like, boom! It just jumped. Yikes! Let's go, guys. Do you take a nap, bro? Between the breaks? Nah. I'll listen to music and watch some movies or TV shows. First action. Today came out Halo 2 season, second season, first series. So I might check it out later. So let's go. It's okay, MJ, don't worry. You're gonna be just fine. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, there we go. Crazy time, baby. Ah, I smell money. Oh yeah. All right, guys, are you ready for my legendary signature spin? First thing first, guys, let's reveal the multipliers. Let's see the multipliers. Boom, baby, there we go. We see some, is that a triple? Yeah, that's a triple. That means we have a 200x max multiplier. Villa Annie says headbutt. Yes, sir. Guys, choose your flappers. Green, blue, yellow, auto pick. And we're gonna do my signature spin. Oh yeah. Let's go. And a fire. Nico, cheers, mate. Sheesh.
This is the amount of money issued 411,431 euros.
Burn, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. 5,931's good job, guys. I'm on Darius and Lorma, top 5. Sheesh. That's good, Jenny. Thank you. You're welcome, Jenny. Yo, Basil, love you too, man. Cheers, mate. Completely understandable. You can still play the game without the sound on. Simple as that, my friend. Anyway, that's the 2. Let's spin again. Let's do this, Andrew style. Welcome to Crazy Time, guys. It's me, Basil. We've only had 1 bonus round this session. So far, that is. No reason for people to not like the host. I mean, like, they're actually... I would like to disagree. I mean, every single host has a different, like, leading style. 5x Crazy Time, by the way. And it might not be for everyone, you know? And that's the one. Actually, yo, guys, that's Crazy Time with a 5x. Can I get a yeehaw? Come here, guys. Come here, guys. It's the boys, open up! And we are back, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 5x Crazy Time. Let's multiply everything 5 times. So, ladies and gentlemen, pick your teams. Green, blue, yellow. Guys, you know what blazer I'm rocking today, yeah? Boys got that yellow blazer on. You know, just saying. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, 500 max multi. Let's get it. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, 100x for Team Green, 75 for Team Yellow. Let's double the fun for Team Blue. Guys and girls, there's 1,000x on the line. Can we get that bad boy? Well, let's find out. Oh, yeah.
This is the amount of money issued 534,760 to euros.
Boys, that's a 250x. 100 for Team Green, 75 for Team Yellow. And guys, we're back. So we have G, F, I. Top winners, guys. Here we go again. Get your sody pops out. We're gonna spin some wins. Yeah, here we go. Chris, long time no see. What's up, bro? Hi, check. What's up? What's up, Shile? Good morning, sir. Welcome aboard, man. How's everything? What is the time where you are? Andy says D. All right, what is the time right now? I think it was like 1 a.m. It's like 1 a.m. or something. Yeah. Alfro, what's up, man? Welcome in. Let's go, guys. 2x Pachinko. I like wings more, but it's some spicy sauce. I like with the garlic. Chicken wings, garlic sauce, covered it. It's melting in your mouth. But I prefer chicken breasts. Baby, I can eat that thing all day long. That's a pachutu, that's pachinko. Let's go, everybody. Sheesh. Let's go, guys. So let's go, guys. There we go. Answer is true, lol. Yeah. We're kind of like chicken addicted people here. Let's go. Protein. Protein, baby. So let's go. And steak with mashed potatoes. There we go. Whoa! Max multiplied 200x. Everything is multiplied by 2x. That's a 400x. Woo. All right, we need a good drop zone. Are you gonna glow? There we go. It's glowing. All right, the drop zone is kind of decent. Go to the left out there. A little bit on the left. Don't go in a corner. Okay, good. On the right, a little bit. On the right, yes. Oh.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,537,491 euros.
Wow, baby. Let's go. 6,877 wins, guys. Mark Walter, Dan God, Garment, top 5. Good job. Holy smokes. Whew, man, that was pretty insane. Hey, Lily, baby, no problem. Let's go. Smiley, I love you too, baby.
21 winners. Knight, the top winner with a 1.2 thousand. Formation, 1.2. And Quarter with a 570. Betting time is open. Time to go. We're going to take your title of the coin flip master away. No, no, no. Jean, please, don't do that. I'm the CEO of coin flip, man. Don't do this. Okay, listen, we just hit a rough day. All right, 5x on cash, and I was just on my way to work. I didn't get my briefcase, okay? I left my briefcase at home. You know what happens? Guys, I'm still the CEO. Come on, don't do this to me. Come on, please. Do we end up? Oh, what a beauty. It's gonna be a cash out. Nice. And given that this is the last round with me in this session, it's a nice kind of way how to end things, don't you agree? Boom, 100x is the biggest one. But hold up. Oh, we got the 5x on top from Topslot. Oh, that's right. 500x is now the biggest multiplier. There we go. We're gonna mix up all those multipliers. They're gonna be hidden behind various targets. And you will have to take aim and fire away at one target. You only get one shot, one opportunity. If you don't make a choice, autopick will choose for you. And yeah, that about sums it up. I'm going for the top left. Okay, guys, it's been fun. It's been great. It's been a pleasure and true joy chatting with all of you. I'll see you again later. See ya. Don't forget to work out, eat vegetables and fruits, and get 8 hours of sleep. Yeah. There we go. Ooh.
This is the amount of money issued 496,176 euros.
Ooh, we got 113 with the 500x here. Mr. Reaper, the top winner. Alina's here. Bye-bye.
Enjoy. Thank you. Hello. No. Enjoy. What's up, everybody? My name is Alina. Did I say that?
Did you have ping pong as well? At work? Shimmy, final seconds. Alright, last couple seconds left. Bets are close. Within the last 18 rounds, 2 coin flips, by the way. And 15 times cash hunt. Good luck. Bro! 15 times cash hunt, everybody! Oh my goodness! What a day! $1,500, baby! Woo! Let's go! Bloody hell, mate! That's crazy! Oh my days! When was the last time I got 1,500? I can't even remember. Actually, no, we got the 2.5K ones, but still. That's insane, guys. Choose anything and you're gonna get a great amount of money, no matter what. Just go.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,197,309 euros.
Stuff's crazy. Stuff's crazy. 592 people are getting the 1,500, everybody. Oh my days. Congrats, everybody. Back to the wheel. All right, betting time's over. Good luck. I'm blaming David for distracting me.
Well, let's go for better rounds. Feel free to place a bet and let's hang together. May all your dreams come true, remember? Okay, 20x Topslot, I know, Nene. Can you imagine such a big Topslot? Okay. Now I have a crazy sum with a 5x Topslot on top. So if we can't go for a 20x Topslot on a craze, for 20x Topslot, maybe we can go for a 5x Topslot on top. Well, you know, I think that Crazy Time is good by itself. Yeah, crazy bonus round, good by itself, but with bonuses, with Topslots on top, way better. And we catching it? We catching it? Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, woo! We have a crazy time with a 5x Topslot on top. We did it! Yes, lady! All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do it. Thank you for playing. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Well, Sakuras, better luck next time. Right now, let's take a look where we have there 5x Topslot on top. Yes, you already know what we have there. What about multipliers? But first, let's take a look at the colors. Well, there's 3 colors: blue, green, and yellow. Pick up one and let's move on. All right, feel free to make your decisions. And of course, let me know in the chat, green, blue, or yellow color. I would love to know, guys. Our highest multiplier is 500x, but I'm pretty sure we can double it. So let's try to do it. Good luck, everybody.
This is the amount of money issued to 129,206 euros.
500 on green, 75 on blue and yellow colors. No, blue with 75 and 175 on yellow. Okay. Congratulations. Woo! Indeed, that was good. Yes, green. Woo! All right, guys, let's pump it up. Not bad. 75 on blue.
That's it. Please understand me. That's my job. I cannot do anything about it. That's not my decision. Okay, let's do another spin. Ow, man. The finger to be back. Nick says all of that because of Roman. Yes, I don't know who is Roman, but this guy is so rich. Roman, like, it's basically, as far as I know, that's a Slavic name. I have a lot of the friends whose name is Roman. So like Roma, Roman, it's like all the same thing. And, oi, coin flip 15x? Coin flip 15x, baby, look at that. That's how you make it. Hi, what's up? Okay. I'm getting ready. Need to wipe my hands real quick. Hello, my friend. Imagine having a 100x right now. That's gonna be an explosion, baby. That's gonna be an explosion. We will call the boss as soon as possible. How much is gonna be? 100? 9x multiplier, man. That's crazy. That could have been 20 times more better. But still, yet, I mean, let's hope for the red side of a coin.
This is the amount of money issued 175,877 euros.
Congratulations, you know, W's in the chat, baby. W's in the chat. That's 1,600 winners with an amazing 135x multiplier. Raman, 42,000 euros. 42,000. What? Is that even possible to win that kind of a money?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.